Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max.
Max and Ruby.
Ruby and her little brother Max.
Max and Ruby! Ruby's Bird Walk.
Popcorn's ready.
Yay! Thanks, Bunny Scout Leader.
We're going bird watching with Mrs. Huffington, Max. Do you want to come along or stay here with Bunny Scout Leader?
Popcorn!
Thanks. The popcorn is coming with us, Max. We're using it to attract a Loon Lake skylark.
Everybody likes popcorn, including birds.
Well, I hope the skylark does. If we see one, we can get our bird watching badge. It won't fit. Max, it would really help if you came along. You could be our official popcorn carrier.
Popcorn!
Thanks, Max. But remember, Max, it's not for eating, it's for the birds.
Who's ready to go on a bird walk?
I am. Me too. We all are.
Do we have bird-watching binoculars?
I do.
A bird-watching logbook?
I do.
And the Loon Lake Skylark bird whistle?
I do.
Bunny Scouts march! Keep your eyes and ears open for the Loon Lake Skylark.
I'm looking.
I'm listening. I'm looking and listening.
Hilltops are great for bird watching. Now, let's see if there's any sign of our skylark.
Good idea, Valerie.
Popcorn.
Max, that popcorn is for the birds, remember? I think it might be safer if I take the popcorn instead.
Popcorn.
Was that you, Valerie?
No, Mrs. H.
Then it was
A real Loon Lake Skylark.
It came from over there.
Time to go off the beaten path, Bunny Scouts. Just remember to keep track of where we go. Keep those eyes and ears open.
Shh! I think I heard a bird.
Do you see anything, Ruby?
Not yet. It must have flown farther into the forest.
Maybe it's time for your bird whistle again, Valerie.
Good idea, Mrs. H.
Did you hear that?
Yes, that was it.
Wait, I think I see something way up there.
Popcorn. Do you see it now, Ruby?
Nope. But I'm sure it's there, way up in that tree. I think it's time to try my popcorn trick.
Good idea, Ruby.
Let's go to the clearing. Huh? What are you doing in there?
Popcorn.
Come on, we're finally going to spot the Loon Lake Skylark.
Popcorn.
That's right. We're going to lure him down with the popcorn. This looks like the perfect spot. Oh no, I lost all my popcorn. Now we have nothing to feed the birds.
It's okay. We can go back to camp for more popcorn.
Which way is the campsite?
I think it's that way. Isn't it that way?
Mm-hmm. That's the problem with going off the beaten path. You have to keep track of where you went.
Oh no!
Popcorn.
There's no popcorn, Max. It's all on the ground.
Popcorn.
Huh? Huh?
You mean I get it?
We can follow the popcorn trail back to camp.
I knew you'd figure it out. Follow that popcorn.
Welcome back, birdwalkers. Did you spot a Loon Lake Skylark?
We heard one, but we didn't see one.
I guess we'll have to wait until next time to get our bird watching badge.
Oh, I don't know. We may not have spotted any birds, but that was the best bit of tracking I've seen in a long time.
The kind that deserves to be rewarded?
Bunny Scout tracking badges! Yay!
Look, Max, I got a badge after all. And I couldn't have done it without your trail of
Popcorn!
Max Goes Fishing.
Watch your step on the dock, Bunny Scouts.
I can't believe we're going to get our canoeing badge today. I've waited for this all year.
Well, we haven't got it yet, Ruby.
I know, but we've practiced a lot, and I can't think of anything that could get in our way.
If you say so, Ruby.
Oh.
Big one!
Hi, Max. We'll be canoeing on that side of the dock. So I think the fishing will be better on this side of the dock, okay? Thanks, Max.
Who's ready to earn their Bunny Scout canoeing badge?
I am! Me too! We all are!
To earn your canoeing badge, you'll each get into the canoe with me, one at a time, paddle out, turn the canoe around, and paddle back to the dock. Then you get out and drop the mooring rope over the mooring post so the canoe doesn't float away. Who wants to go first?
I will. What's the matter, Max? You're not going to catch anything if you can't get your ducky in the water. Something's stopping your fishing line. Here's your problem. There's a knot in your line. I'll undo it, and then you can go fish. There you are, Max. Now you can go back to fishing, and I can go try for my canoeing badge. Oh. Valerie's already started.
I know. She's really good.
She sure is.
Big one. Yay, Valerie! All she has to do is paddle back and moor the canoe to the post, and she'll earn her badge.
Mooring looks like the hardest part. Let's get you untangled. I can't get you free if you keep wiggling like a fish. Maybe I should reel you in. There you go. You're ready to fish again. And now I have to go earn my canoeing badge. Look at Louise paddle. She's a natural.
Big one.
Hooray!
You're doing great, Louise.
Now all she has to do is paddle back and moor the canoe to the mooring post. Then it's my turn.
Big one. Big one.
You hooked something. I wonder what it is. Here, I'll help. Wow, it's really heavy. Whoa! Oh! It's just an old boot. Keep trying, Max. I'm sure you'll catch a big one. I have to go see Louise finish paddling.
You did it, Louise! Yay! Thanks, Valerie. Now it's your turn, Ruby.
At last! Wish me luck.
Good luck, Ruby. Yay!
You can do it!
Go, Ruby! You're doing great!
Okay, Bunny Scout Ruby. Time to turn this canoe around.
Yay! Hooray!
That's perfect, Bunny Scout Ruby.
Thanks, Bunny Scout Leader.
Just moor the canoe to the post, and then I'll present the canoeing badges to all three of you.
We did it!
That was fun! Yay!
Come on, Max. We're going to get our canoeing badges. If I don't moor the canoe, I'll be the only Bunny Scout who doesn't get a canoeing badge. I got it! Thanks, Max.
Well done, Bunny Scout Valerie. Here's your badge.
Bunny Scout Leader.
Good job, Bunny Scout Louise.
Thank you, Bunny Scout Leader.
And Bunny Scout Ruby. Nice teamwork.
Thanks, Bunny Scout Leader. I wouldn't have gotten this badge if Max hadn't caught the
Big one! Ruby tries again. Again!
Looks like Max needs another spin. Okay, I'll spin you again. Ready? Have fun!
All right, Bunny Scouts. It's time to earn the last badge of your Loon Lake camping trip. The Bunny Scout Campfire Badge. I've built one in my rock circle to show you. You start with a little ball of dried grass. Then you lay twigs on top so it looks like a teepee. Next, you get bigger pieces of wood from the woodpile and carefully place them on top of the kindling, like another teepee. And last, but most important, you have to get a bucket full of water. Safety is the most important thing when you're building a campfire. Here's some dry grass to start with. And you've each got your own rock circle. Your challenge is to build your campfire before sunset. So, off you go.
Okay! Yay! Let's go!
Have you found any twigs for kindling?
There aren't very many around.
We'll just have to look harder.
Again!
Okay, Max, I'm coming. Here we go. See you around, Max. I need to find some kindling.
Do you think this is enough, Valerie?
I hope so. There aren't many small twigs around. I guess I'll just have to look harder.
Good luck, Ruby. You can do it.
I'll find some. I know I will. Aha! Just what I'm looking for.
Again?
Just one more twig on top, and I'll have the perfect little teepee.
Again?
Oh, no. I told you, Max, I'm trying to build a campfire. Okay, I'll spin you again. But this is the last time, right? I have to rebuild my kindling teepee. Hi, Ruby. Aren't you building your campfire?
We're ready to make our firewood teepee.
I'll be right behind you. Okay, let's get you back into that tire. One more spin and then you're on your own. Once I get this firewood to my rock circle, I'll have my campfire ready in no time. Uh-oh, I'm running out of time. Now, I just have to build the kindling teepee again. Done. And now I'll build my firewood teepee over it.
I'm finished my teepee.
Me too. Don't worry, Ruby. You'll catch up. There. Now I'm ready to get my bucket of water.
Oh, this part is really hard. I never knew water was so heavy.
Again!
It looks like you need some help, but this is really the last time. I'll give you an extra hard spin. See you, Max!
What? Whoa!
There, I did it.
Again.
Oh no, my fire will never light with all that water on it.
What are you going to do, Ruby?
Build another campfire, of course. Come on, Max. I better hurry. It's almost dark.
All right, Bunny Scouts. It's time for our badge ceremony.
I hope I made my campfire in time.
Bunny Scout Louise, here's your campfire badge. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, Bunny Scout Leader.
Bunny Scout Valerie, here's your campfire badge. Well done.
Oh, thank you, Bunny Scout Leader.
And Bunny Scout Ruby,
Yes, Bunny Scout Leader?
you know how important it is to build a proper campfire.
Yes, Bunny Scout Leader.
But what's even more important is having the right Bunny Scout spirit.
Huh?
So, along with getting your campfire badge, I've decided to give you the Good Sport Award.
Good Sport Award? Why?
Because you learned what every Bunny Scout should know. If at first you don't succeed, try.
Again!